Hi guys! In this video we will keep on showing you how to create an executive script for our escape room system. In the previous video we showed you how to use the light sensor and an LED lamp. You can find the link in this video description below. Today we will add the reed switch and one more LED lamp into our system. We also want to demonstrate you how to do the self-testing or puzzle initialization. So we take the reed switch and the LED lamp and connect them to the DT extender. The reed switch can be connected to any of the 12 inputs. Let's connect it to input 2 and connect LED lamp to the corresponding output 2. Run DT MSC software. Open the script named demoscript.dts that we created in the previous video. We want to turn on the LED lamp when the read relay is open. This is similar to the task we did with the light sensor, so we can just duplicate all commands and change the port numbers in them. Create the variable RS_status where the read switch state will be written. Duplicate the command request data from a module. Change the address parameter from RLNU1 to RLNU2. Change the last parameter with the value RS_status. Display the variable on the program board. Define the variable LED power 2 equals to 1 minus RS_status. Send the data to output 2 to control the second LED lamp. That's it. Let's run the script and see what's going to happen. And now, let's create the self-testing code. Self-testing is a process when we set all the triggers and executive elements into the initial position. For instance, close all locks, turn servo motor to 0, etc. Let's define our initial position as reed switch is closed, lights are on, LED lamps are turned off. That means that the light sensor and the reed switch statuses should be equal 0. Duplicate our main loop named wait. Change its name on init testing. Create the variable self-test_out at the beginning of this loop and set its value as equal to 2. Then we read the trigger state and display it onto the program board. After we get the trigger's statuses, we need to subtract these statuses from the self-test_out variable. This command redefines the variable self-test_out by self-test_out minus the trigger status. If both of the trigger states is 1, triggers are in the initial position, the variable self-test_out is 0. If the result is higher than 0, we need to set our triggers in the initial state. Let's delete the command setLEDLamp and write the message for the operator and condition to leave the self-testing loop. If the variable self-test_out is higher than 0, we have not passed the initialization. If the self-test_out is 0, we pass this loop and can start the main process. Let's add the message for the operator about finishing the initialization and run the script. The light is off and the reed switch is open. Turn on the light. The light sensor status is 1, but reed switch is still open. Close the reed switch. Bingo! The trigger statuses are 1. We can start the main part of the script. In the following video, we will add more elements to our system and make it more complicated, and we'll show you how to create a script for using an RFID, a servo motor, and the magnetic lock devices with the DT extender. Thank you for your attention.